What's up, guys? First video, just gonna be a slight back testing session. I'm not gonna really explain how my entry model really works too much, but just to show you guys my thought process of entering a trade and just overall how I go about it. Just starting from the high time frame, getting my bias, then getting my entry, just so you guys can see how it all works and how easy it could be. Yeah. And you guys will see the win rate I get in this video. I'm sure it'll be pretty good. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. I know it'll be pretty good, but I know it's not. Yeah, there we go. Now, I trade MNQ and I use MES on as confluence. So just Nasdaq and and S&P. I don't take any trades on S&P. But let's get right into it. We're gonna start off on Monday, the 14th, 2022. I like to get news of the day just so it doesn't mess up my trades. Okay, on Forex Factory. So we have a day with no news, so we're not going to be staying aware of any news. Let's see where we're at on the charts, though. Okay, so it looks like we're in a pretty good, in a premium. Okay, here we just swept a lot of liquidity. We're rejecting this 4-hour fair value gap. I'm leaning towards more bearish because we came up a lot these last couple days. So I'm looking for more bearish since we just swept all this and went in this big gap, maybe to this low or to equilibrium. I'm not really looking for a rejection off this gap right here, but because we're so high, so I like to see it move lower. We'll see how this goes. Move this shit over here. Okay, 8:30. Let's go. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll try to get through this shit fast. Looking for shorts. Let me open up another chart as well. This is the time frame. Yeah, I like this low right here. Maybe if we get a run of these highs, and then a move lower. And also, I'm making this video just because I feel like backtesting was what got me to the next level, and it just really helped me seeing someone that knows how to do this shit, like their whole thought process and stuff. Okay, we got some sloppy price action. It just ran all this LR, so a move up is not too bad, and there's LR above, which is just all these highs right here. Low resistance liquidity run. If we get a 2-minute inverse of this gap right here, I'll enter. Okay, I don't really dislike this. I don't really like that close. If we get a 3-minute close, I'll enter. Okay, I kind of do like that. We swept that. We're rejecting this gap. Macro. Yep, and I like that LR above. Usually I'll go for one-to-ones, but for the sake of the video, I'll try to target some higher liquidity. Try to go up here, hold runners. How the fuck? Oh. I'll risk 1% for the video. Bottom no. Also, I use soft stop losses, so you only see me close if the there we go. So here I will scale probably 75%, and then leave the rest for break even. There we go, banger. And so just like that, we move on to the next day. Let's see. But just take note on how your bias. You don't want to get too stuck on a bias. Like you want to kind of be a chameleon when it comes to bias. Adapt to your environment because you don't want to get too stuck on. You want to see what the chart is giving you and then make a decision based off the chart. Don't try to force your hand and force something that the chart is not giving you. Because then you'll just be fucking taking losses and shit. Okay. We seem to be, like we're gonna close above this huge gap. So it seems like price wants to target this high right here. Oh, 1 second. Let's see if there's any news for the next day. Yeah, so there's 8:30 news. So this would be my this is just an expedited process of what I go through in the morning. So I check 8:30 news. That means I'm not taking a trade until 8:30, until after 8:30. I mean. So let's see. Okay, so we got a big fucking candle. Fucking pumper. It looks like we might run that high. Here, I would like to see a retracement into discount to and see if we could run that high. Let me check MES to see if it ran that high already. I'm checking MES or S&P just to see if there's any SMTs. Okay, this high. Yeah, it looks like S&P ran all that shit. So we could be looking at a potential SMT here and a move lower. But we'll see. If we do get a let me think. Let's see. Okay, so you guys could see this gap got inversed, but this is not something I would take due to the fact that we're in a premium of this range. See this range right here, premium, everything above equilibrium is premium, everything below is discount, and I would not take any longs in premium because price is not at a reasonable price for buyers. Buyers always want to buy at a discount, just like any other product that's on the market or any other product in the world. And there's also probably a bigger gap on a higher time frame that is being rejected from as well. Yeah, there's a 3-minute gap up here. Yeah, this is just not clean, so this is not something I would take. This will lose, most likely. Yeah, lost. Too close to open. Okay. I don't like that. Do they have second chart on? Oh, they have 30-second chart on here now? Oh, damn, I didn't even know that. It's up. About to make some good content. Pause. Okay, looks like we're gonna fill this gap, but we'll see. See what happens. Okay, I don't really dislike this at all. What time is it? 9:54. I don't dislike this. If we get it. Okay, this is not bad R. I mean, this is not great of RR. But there's equal highs up here. Relative equal highs. A lot of them. So we'll take that. Let's see what the RR could be. Try to go up here. Probably take some off here. If we actually I'm gonna see if we can get a better position. Yeah, that ran off with me. Without me. not mad because we maybe we get a lower time frame gap. Okay, so this is not bad. The fact that we ran this. That's not bad. It's not A plus. Oh, that's 15 seconds. Okay, I understand it now. Yeah, that should be funny as hell. I understand it now. If we inverse this gap, I'll take it with some momentum. Has to be with some momentum though. I don't dislike this. Rejecting this BPR. Oh, no, that's not BPR, but I don't dislike this. We're back in a discount. It's not really an obvious gap though. 1020. Would I take this? Would I take this? Would I take this? I'm gonna take this for sake of video. Something like this, not a really obvious gap. I'll go right here for a 1 to 2, 1.1, and go light size. I'll probably go 0.5%. Say, let's get it. Come on, bro. Soft stop loss. Okay. We swept. Did we put in equal lows? Yeah, there we go. Okay, banger. See, that's just low risk. Not an A plus setup, but low risk. So I like that. See if it ran. It probably runs all the way to the high, I would assume. But yeah. So see, that's why you go 1 to 1. Okay, next day, let's go. Next day, go to next day. Okay. Okay, I see a lot of RR. I see a lot of LR on the higher time frame. I'm definitely looking for a move lower. Still aiming for discount of this range. We still have data lows down here too, so I'm definitely bearish. We have data lows right there. We seem to have. We didn't sweep this, but it was an SMT with ES, so I like this. I'm bearish. Let's see if there's any news. So we got news at 8:30. Bearish. Let's open up. I'm in Q 15-minute. The fuck? Why does that shit still show on this chart? What's going on? I don't know why that shit's glitching up here. Like, I'm not. Shit's not even showing on this chart. That's weird. Okay, we're rejecting this 15-minute. We just inverse this gap. There's LR a little below. Let's see if we can get a move lower. Maybe we get a manipulation above one of these highs and then a move lower. Okay. 8:30 news. Put in a data high. Was that a 30-second? We have a data high right here. I wouldn't really like to take this right here just due to the fact that we close in a premium of this range, and data high plays are definitely better when you find something down here in a discount. Okay, so it worked. Did that work? Okay, so that kind of worked, I guess. But I wouldn't take that though. Okay, so if you get a close below here, this is a play right here. This is something I'll go heavier size for. Data lows below. Is it data lows? Oh, that wasn't even data highs. I'm a dickhead. If we get this close below, I'm definitely gonna target this. Data highs is hit 90% of the time. I mean, data lows and data highs, which is just the wick of the news candle, is 90% of the time hits the same day. Just for a little gem for you guys. Okay, I'm taking that. Short. Take this down to here. Place order. 1%. Let's go. Okay, we swept this low right here. I'm gonna take off 25%. Stop the break even. Data lows. There we go. You guys see the proof is in the pudding. This shit's not no guessing game, bro. This is day in, day out. Let's get it. Next day, one trade a day keeps blowing your fucking account away. Okay, bearish bias. Just like, see what I say. This LR will get ran. This is definitely targeting here. Going to equilibrium of the range. Order block in the middle, right at equilibrium. So these are my two targets for the day. If they don't get hit right away. And I'll probably consolidate in that area. So let's see if we can get a move higher before we go lower. 8:30 news. Okay, let's get it. Philly Fed Index Philly Fed Manufacturing Index never does shit, so it's not really that impactful of news. I don't know why these fucking bars are here. Okay, we swept that last low. I wouldn't dislike a move higher since we just set that significant liquidity area. That's not a bad move. Three. Okay, if we inverse this gap, I'll take this on the 3. We'll probably run the high before we inverse it. Yep, I know it. Yeah, 1 minute worked out pretty well. Oh, we love equal highs. Anytime we have equal highs above, I'm not looking to short. Anytime we have equal lows above or below, I'm not looking at long. But if we get a move back up to these equal highs, from discount, I'll take the long because we suck liquidity as well. And if you guys have any questions, anybody I know or anybody that just want to learn, just hit me up, bro. Open to all questions. I'll answer everybody's questions. Yep. Into those equal highs are getting ran. What time is it? 10:14. Okay. Still looking for shorts. We're in a 15-minute gap, so maybe we get something below here. 15-minute close above. Yeah, 15-minute close above, so I'm definitely bearish. And we have LRLL. I'm definitely bullish. We have LRLL here with relative equal highs. Definitely targeting this gap up here. I like to see move to this discount maybe, and then move higher. It's really choppy right here. Alright, we're at 11. This is not good price action. This is not bad actually. What time is it? 11:18. I will not take that. Not in the looks like we're gonna move very slowly. There we go. Right at macro. I knew it. If we are, I'm gonna wait. If not, I'm gonna go on to next day. If this gets inverse, then I'm shorting. If we violate the 15-minute gap, I'm not taking nothing. Looks like we're gonna violate it. Yep. All right. Next day. Okay. Looks like we're going from internal to external, so I will be targeting this as a higher time frame market maker buy model. So I'm bullish on this. Maybe we'll get a little retrace in this range into discount, move back up. Let's see. Is there news? No news. No news. Whatever day. Okay. Let's see what we could do here. Nothing here. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Baby, a pressure. I'll be with triplets. I'll be with twins. That's not a bad move. Okay, yeah, let's go back on 1 minute. Okay, this looks like it could set up nicely. Okay, this is nice. Discount of the range. Nice little inverse. Yeah, there we go. I'll take this all day. We'll go for these highs right here. I'm gonna take a partial right here. 50% right here. Let's go. Let me check 2 minute. 3 John. Yeah, this is really nice. Discount of the range, instant reaction off of this sweep liquidity. Order block, inverse. Good play. Let's see what we get. There we go. 50% here. Stop to break even. Yep, there we go. That's what stop to break even. The power of stop to break even. We'll go how much I'm making that? Like 250? 258. Okay, that's not bad. One trade a day. Keep money accounts away, boy. Boy. Yep. Okay, yeah, I love this right here. Swept internal into external this range. Definitely bearish. Rejecting this gap. Looking for these. Looks like it could be a market maker sell to this data low. I think this is data low. I could be wrong, but I believe this is data low. This is the overall model I see happening. It's probably SMT somewhere up here with a higher time frame. I think, yeah, it was SMT right here. So if you guys know market maker sell models, this is a perfect example. SMT at the high, with ES. Inverse at top. Boom. Manipulation above these highs. Rejection. I'm sure this is a higher time frame gap up here. Boom. Break a structure. Come back and discount this range. Come back and discount. Reject discount. Inverse this gap. And then now I would like to see maybe a. So you never know what it's gonna do, but you could predict, not predict, but you could have an idea and see if your idea plays out. But you never want to marry your idea because you never know what's gonna happen. We just swept this low. I would expect to see some sort of manipulation above maybe these highs and then a move lower. And I'm definitely bearish though. 8:30. We're on to the next week. Okay, no news. Let's go. Hold on, I'm on a 2-minute chart. Okay, boom. No, we haven't swept that. There we go. Swept all that shit. See, just like I played it. Now let's see if we can get a. Did we sweep this high yet? What high is this? Oh yeah, this I like to see this shit right here. Boom. Okay. Let's see if we get a move lower from here. Oh yeah, I like that. Ooh. Should I hop in early? What time is this? 9:30. I know it's gonna inverse this. But I'm not gonna take it since it didn't inverse yet. Fuck, I knew it. Yeah, that's a good play. It's gonna run all these lows right here. Oh, let's see if we can get okay. That's why you wait for your model, brothers. That's why you wait for your model. Okay. Let me get a manipulation above these highs one more time. Maybe sweep this high up here. I like that. I kind of like that high up there. Not really an obvious gap, but it's in premium, so I like that. And we got manipulation above this. We still have all this LR below during the macro. See if there's another gap during the macro. Just one more minute. Not a huge fan of this. Not a good close below the one. I'm good off that trade. Not really that textbook. Not really that clean. Yeah, that worked. Okay, and then we close below here. Okay, I still kind of like this because we're still in a discount. I mean, we're still kind of in discount premium range. Okay, if that's a two, I think that's a 2-minute close. Yeah, that is. All right, I'm gonna take this because we're still kind of in we're at equilibrium, so I'm not mad if I take this loss. I'll go down here, place order. I'm gonna go light size. Once we sweep this, I'll move stop the break. There we go. I'll take 50 off here. Stop the break even. See if we can get the. There we go. There we fucking go. See, like for example, like I know if I. This just shows you could trust your model. Like I took a couple losses the last couple of days, And this just gives you the confidence. Like when I go back on the chart tomorrow, I'm gonna be much more confident because I know my model works, and it's pretty obvious it works. You guys, I haven't taken a loss yet. Yeah, we swept this low. Okay, I like to see lower now. Swept all these these. I don't like this. Unless it's S&T. S&T. Okay, we don't need to sweep that. Actually, I would like to see. I don't like that. I'd like to see us move up before we go down. There we go. This is not a good price action. Oh no, let me see if there's any news. No news. Yeah, this is shit. Wouldn't take that. We go 1 minute. Want to see lower. It's my target down here. Let's see some sort of manipulation before we go lower though. Yeah, we're gonna hit that. We're gonna take that low. Only way I take a short is if we come up into discount. I mean premium. There we go. I'll take shorts up here for sure. This doesn't look bad at all. I don't like that we didn't take the 930 high though. So I'm not gonna take that. Yeah, that would work. There we go. Took high. See if we get a move before it close. Yeah, I don't like anything here. Off the charts. There are relative equal lows though. Might be a S&T. It's not. I'm gonna see if I can get a short here. Still. Probably won't get anything until 130. Sideways. At 130 it'll pick up. There we go. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Or not. Yeah, that's shitty. Next day open. Wednesday. 9:45 PMI. Let's look what we looking at here. took this high. We have equal lows below here. Okay, we have equal lows right here. That's definitely gonna get targeted. See if we can reject this gap. We just swept this internal liquidity. I want to see a move lower here. Still want to get to this equilibrium of this range and that OB that I had marked out earlier. Let's see what we can do here, brother. Okay, we have data lows. I'd like to see something. I'd like to see maybe a sweep of all that shit and then a move lower. Took data lows. Made relative equal lows. I'd like to see that. That's ugly. Okay. There's still a lot of liquidity resting below, so I don't hate a short still. A lot of LR down here. Probably will run straight through all that shit though. Definitely would not take longs here. There we go, ran that. Don't like anything here. Manipulate. Oh, I forgot there's news at 9:45. I'm tripping. You left the data high. Left the data high, ran it. This is ass. What the fuck is this, bro? Is there 10? Oh, I guess so. Oh, it's orange full of news. Okay, I like that. If you get this, I like this. I like that. We're in a 1 hour gap. You could reject this gap right here. And this OB. If we inverse this 1 minute, I'll take that. And then we have data lows below. You got nothing. Afternoon, I like to only take stuff that's in the macro. We did violate this gap right here though. I didn't peep. This is not bad. Let me just take that. What time is it? I'll take this. No, that's too far left. It's gonna run this data low. I'm not taking that. That's not A plus. Yeah, knew it. Next day. Okay, what else are we looking at? Oh. Still have those equal lows below. Maybe it's looking for this high. Check the 4 hour. We closed above. This might be going to those highs. We close above this. So we're definitely bullish now. Is there any news Thursday? Bank holiday. No sir, not trading this day. What is this? Alright. Maybe we'll hold this whole B. Maybe it's an hour gap. we could hold this OB and remain bullish, then I'll be bullish in this gap. If we violate this, then I'm back to my bearish ways. But we still have this gap to fill. Actually, this gap got filled. What am I talking about? Let's see. I'm bullish right now, though. These are news. No news Friday. Probably the light size. Got some LR above here. Significant wick right here. Discount, not discount. I mean, I'm in the equilibrium with the CE of the OB. We need to market open for sure, and then no news Friday. Alright, we close with bearish. So we get a move higher on market open. Ooh. Alright, yeah, I'm still bearish. I'm gonna stick with it. That was a nice long right here. Well, this will be a nice short. That's shit price action though. And when a discount not taking it. This is shitty. Wow. Damn. Off the charts. What the fuck? See, this is like, these are the days you want to avoid. When it looks like this shit, that's horrible. This is just horrible. And that's how you avoid a loss. This is just shitty. This is the only good play. This inverse right here was the only good play. But then from here, this short is not valid. And discount, just not there's some LRL above and no news Friday. I don't like it. Okay. How many days have I traded? Is that 2 weeks now? I've only taken 5 trades, bro. 14, 15, 16, 18. I didn't take any trades the whole week. 21st, I'm on the 25th. Then check the trade the 24th. I guess not. Man, I'm tripping. But yeah, you guys see it though. Pretty light. I'm gonna do one more trade just for next day open. Let's see what we get into right here. Monday, no news Monday. Okay, no news Monday. Actually, I'm gonna cut it off right here so it's not too long. But yeah, you guys see, good first video. 100% win rate. 2 weeks of back testing. Yeah. You guys saw it. Proof is in the pudding. Gonna be starting Discord soon if you want to learn how to do this shit just as good as me, because I'll teach anybody just as good as me. Just hit me up. Join my Discord. It'll probably be like $25, some shit like that, $50. But it's valuable information. You can see that's 3 bands made. It's a payout. 2,600. That's a payout on Apex. Yeah. Appreciate y'all for watching. And that's the end of the video. See y'all next time I make a video.